There is no similar response. No light turns on here as it is plugged inside. So let's open it and see what's wrong. Here appears to be a lock, and we will pry it open, right? Not at all. The lithium-ion batteries, if damaged, these tend to burst. So never ever try to damage these with a pointed object. I have seen cases where LiPo batteries tend to burst at once if these are pricked. Pretty hard to open it, I don't know why. Well, I do not understand what's damaged here, but it is pretty sure that here there is an LED and there is another charge indicator, and both do not turn on. So quite fishy here why it doesn't turn on the charging. But this transistor, I think so, this is, yes, definitely pair of transistors packed together. Power IC maybe, not a power IC as such, but transistors. This is damaged, appears so. We should, I do not recommend playing or repairing these little circuits. Well, this cell could somehow be used somewhere else. I do not recommend repairing these because um, these could cause fire hazard. Pretty cheap power banks, and let's just try to figure out we will be using this cell in the next projects. Thank you very much.